One of the most impactful learnings for me in this EMBA journey has been the Harvard Mount Everest simulation. It was just not about climbing Mount Everest. It was about aligning diverse roles, balancing team goals with individual goals, as well as making high-level decisions with limited data. This part resonated the most in my day-to-day work. Planning was just like Mount Everest, where there is no visibility. The procurement is the only team that can see supplier risks, the sales team can see the demand fluctuations in the market, and the finance team they track cost efficiency. In all of this, it is my role to fragment a landscape where the supply plan is resilient. Post this simulation, I became far more intentional about cross-functional collaboration as well as data sharing. I shifted my focus from thinking about who is right to what is right in the system or for the system. And that's the real beauty of this program, by applying the learning in everyday work. We all come from different backgrounds, different industries, different geographies, and having different leadership styles. It's this diversity in our cohort which is very enriching. And one point that has stayed etched in my mind was when one of the professors brought out the topic of the Gillette and P&G merger. He was talking about ethical leadership, wherein the CEO was the last person to resign, and Gillette made sure that each and every member of the Gillette company got a job, and only then the CEO would resign. One person from our cohort said that his father worked for Gillette and he experienced that real time. So that kind of story, that emotion, that integrity was something that goes beyond textbooks, because we saw it coming out live from his mouth, from his experience. I've always believed to thrive in today's world, it is imperative to stay ahead of the curve, for which it is pivotal that we evolve, adapt, and continuously learn. That's the reason why I enrolled into this SP Jain Global EMBA, because what stood out for me was the strong global focus that it had, the cross-campus learning, as well as a powerful cohort which were from different industries, different geographies, and different functions as well. Since I've completed almost a year in this EMBA journey, I can proudly say that it helps you navigate through the complex, fast-moving markets. That's what's important here. Balancing both work and EMBA has been extremely intense, but at the same time, it has been rewarding. I will not say that it has been easy, but it has definitely been worthwhile. What works for me is discipline, setting my priorities right, not shying away from support. There are late nights, early mornings, weekends full of classes and group discussions. But at the end of the day, it also feels so overwhelming, encouraging, and positive. Every module gave me something that I could apply at my work. So I was not just studying, I was continuously evolving. And you are not alone in this. The professors and the cohort make a good support system for you. The ROI from this EMBA journey has been both tangible and deeply professional. Be it my financial acumen, strategic thinking, or applying the Kotter's 8 model principle. All these frameworks have helped me take structural and more sharper decisions at work. On a personal level, the ROI has been my confidence, my perspective, and my renewed sense of purpose. The cohort has taught us so much in terms of coming forward to help and support during exams, group discussions, and even on a personal level. Most importantly, what I have learned is leadership is not about what you know, but how much you show up for others.